Hello, good day. So this is my newest project. It's called Philippines Earthquake Record ETL Pipeline. So I am displaying the current earthquakes in the Philippines, and I use this website for reference. So it is the website of PBOK. So this is an HTML. Uh, this is on HTML, and I needed to parse it using Beautiful Soap just to extract the data from the HTML website. So here, as you can see in my dashboard, I used Superset to display my dashboard. So there are four charts. First is this most active location. So in these most active locations, I display uh, ra- the rankings of the locations, which has the most locations. As you can see, the top one is the Surigao del Sur, and the top two is the Surigao del Norte, and top three is Davao Oriental. And the list of them is Camarines Norte, Palawan, and in next chart. So here, daily earthquake count in Philippines. So uh, I aggregated the data based on the daily earthquake count. So the most recent earthquake count is uh 27. So it's on September 26th today. And here the daily average magnitude. So yesterday it is 2.35 September 25, and today is 2.52. So it's September 26th. Then here, this is the landing table of whenever I get the new data from this website. Uh, the data lands in this table. So stage earthquake data, and these three these three charts are referencing from this table. So as you can see here, there this is the newest. This is the newest earthquakes. And earlier uh I just triggered the airflow, and as you can see, this is the recorded newest. It's on Bulacan, Maguindanao, Batangas, and Surigao. So the same Surigao, Batangas, Maguindanao, and Bulacan. So the airflow triggers every 15 minutes. But for the video, I will just trigger it manually. So let's wait. So as you can see, uh, there are two newest triggers. Don't mind the red colors. There are cause I am fixing things. So there are red. And the most two recent is these two. This is manual and this is scheduled. So let's see here in uh so there's a new one in the VBox. So it's on 529 Occidental Mindoro. So let's see. If we refresh it, if we refresh this table, there should be a new one. So as you can see, there's the newest one here. But the ID became 11504 because as I told earlier, this is HTML based. So it doesn't really matter if the ID became huge, but uh, it's it's assured the ID here are all unique. So this is the newest record, the Occidental Mindoro, and let's see here. So earlier it is just earlier it's just 27. So now it's now 28. Let's refresh. So here it's already refreshed here. So it added one because earlier it's just 27. And here it also just refreshed in Occidental Mindoro. So that's the demo of my working project, Philippines Earthquake Record CTL Pipeline. Thank you.